I want to give you a little bit more detail when it comes to sorting and filtering your table. And we've got more advanced sorting and filtering in a later training video, but for right now, as far as tables go, if you want to be able to do a consecutive sort, which means that I want to sort more than just one column, for example, I want to sort it by category first, and then by the oil's name. Let's go ahead and do that. Click on the arrow, go down to sort by color, because that gives us the custom sort. Click on it. What do we want to sort by first? Well, let's go ahead and select category. I guess it doesn't matter if we're doing custom sort if you go ahead and click on any one of these arrows, because it still gives us a blank option to work with, and we still have to select it what we want to sort by. So there's category. Do you want to sort it based upon values, a cell's color, a font color? In other words, you can actually sort by color if you want all the greens up at the top and reds down at the bottom. In any case, we'll leave that there for now. After we sort it by category, ascending A to Z, let's go ahead and add another level, a consecutive sort. Sort first by the category, then I want you to sort by the essential oils. And let's do descending, Z to A. Click Okie dokie and let's see what we get. So first it'll sort by the category. After it sorts them A to Z, if there's any duplicates within the sorting, like you see here, antiparasitic, then after it sorts it there, it comes over here and it sorts it descending. So duplicates, and then when it finds duplicates, is it going from A to Z? No, we said descending, Z to A, so it goes O to C. And you can also see the same example down here when it comes to calming. They're both duplicates. Again, it's going from descending the lower end of the alphabet, Z, all the way up to A. So S before R, sedatives, Y before L. And then, of course, to go ahead and clear the sorting there, come up and click on, well, any one of these drop-down arrows, and you can see that this column's being sorted because it has a little drop-down arrow. When it's going down, it means descending. When it goes up, it means ascending, A to Z, Z to A. Go ahead and go to sort by color, custom sort, and then go ahead and delete one after another. And then click OK when you're finished. And it reverts it back to its original sort. Now for some fancy filtering options. Let's say that I want to go ahead and filter and only display those essential oils that begin with the letter C. Go ahead and click on the drop down arrow. Of course, I can go ahead and unselect all and just check the C's here. But if I have a lot to uncheck, that could be very annoying. So go to text filters. Go ahead and let's begin with equals. So I want to go ahead and filter in and only display those essential oils that begin with the letter C. Go ahead and type in C and then type in asterisk. The asterisk is a wildcard. It means that it doesn't matter whatever comes after C. It just means that the first letter has to be C. Click OK and there we go. And of course, if you see a filter here, that means that some records aren't being displayed, that they're being filtered out. And it's by this column. So click on the drop-down arrow, and I can go ahead and clear it. But before I do that, let me go back to the filters and go back to equals. And let's go ahead and type in C asterisk. And let's go ahead and select equals, meaning that it has to fulfill both. So any essential oil that begins with the letter C, and it also has to have, let me do this. That means that these asterisks being wildcards, it doesn't matter of any letter that comes before the letter V or anything after. As long as there's a V somewhere in the name, then go ahead and filter that and display that. So we're looking for two things for it to fulfill. It has to begin with the letter C, and it has to have the letter V anywhere within the name. Click OK, and the only one that does is clove. Let me go ahead and clear that out by clicking on the filter drop-down arrow, clear it. And if I want to go ahead and let's say the final one, if I want to find the top 5 essential oils that are on order or that I have the most orders for, let me click on the drop down arrow, go to number filters, and notice how it says the top 10, but what if I want the top 5? Just go ahead and click on it because then you can go ahead and change it. I want the top 5. Go ahead and click OK, but before you do that, you can of course get the bottom 5, and also instead of items you can do %, but I want the top 5, click Okie dokie, and here are the top 5 essential oils that are on order, or the top 5 that have the largest on orders. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.